Hello students, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. Your favorite YouTube channel RAjdeep is back with another interesting science video. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 7th chapter of class 6 science. This is the second part of it. I already have uploaded the first part of it. So if you did not see the first part of it, you can get the link at the top of the screen. You can click there and can watch the first part of it. So in this part of this video, we will discuss about leaf, we will discuss about leaf venation, we will discuss about transpiration, then we will discuss about different kinds of root, what are the types of different roots and their function, and at the end we will discuss about the flower. So these are the following objectives of this video. So let's start the video and let us go through the first part of it, means we will know about the leaf. So let me draw the picture of a leaf. I am not so good in drawing, so I will try to draw a leaf. You can see the picture here. So this is the picture of a leaf. This is the figure of a leaf which I have drawn. So in this figure, the front part of it is known as petiole. This part of the leaf is known as petiole. Okay, Petiole. This part of it is known as petiole. Okay, and in the middle you can see a line. There is a line in the middle. This line is known as midrib. This line is called midrib. Okay, midrib. This line is called midrib. Okay, and then here you can see some small lines. These small lines are called veins. These small lines are known as veins. These are the following things which we can get in a leaf. The following things are like, at the top we can see petiole. In the middle there is a line. That line is known as midrib. And there are some small lines are there surrounded. The midrib are known as veins. So especially there are two kinds of venation. One is reticulate venation and the other one is parallel venation. So let us know about reticulate venation. So students, what is called reticulate venation? If the design is net-like in both sides of midrib, then it will follow a reticulate venation. So what is called parallel venation? In parallel venation, veins are attached in a parallel mode. When you see a leaf which is following parallel venation, then you will see that veins are attached in a parallel manner. So let us discuss about transpiration. Transpiration is the process of losing water from the surface of the leaf through stomata. Do you know that roots are classified into two categories? What are those categories? One is taproot and the other one is fibrous root. Okay, so what is called taproot? The root system in which a single root arises from the base of the stem with secondary and tertiary branches is called a taproot. Okay, and what is called fibrous root? Especially fibrous root grow from the base of the stem. They have a bushy appearance as well, and these roots are thin and equal in size. Parts of a flower. A flower is generally supported by a part of stem or a stalk called pedicel. The pedicel has a swollen end called the thalamus or the receptacle. Flower have four sets of parts that are arranged in whorls on the receptacle like Calyx, Corolla, Androsium and Gynosium. Let us learn about these parts. Calyx. This is the first and the outermost whorl of a flower. It consists of a set of green leaf-like structure called sepals. Sepals protect the flower in the bud stage and the inner parts of the flower in the later stages. Being green in color, they can also prepare food for the plant. Corolla. This is the second whorl of a flower. It consists of a set of brightly colored leaf-like structures called petals. Petals give color and fragrance to the flower and are the most noticeable part of it. They help to attract insects towards the flower. Androsium. This is the third whorl of a flower. It consists of the main reproductive part of the flower called the stamen. Each stamen comprises two parts. One is filament and the other one is anther. Filament is the long, slender stalk of the stamen. Anther. This is the lobe present at the head of the filament. It has pollen sacs that produce dust-like particles called pollen grains. Pollen grains have the male gametes. Gynoecium. This is the fourth and the innermost whorl of a flower. It is located at the center of the flower. It consists of the female reproductive part of the flower called the pistil or carpel. Each pistil comprises three parts: stigma, style, and ovary. Let us discuss about stigma. This is the topmost sticky part of the pistil. This is where the pollen lands. What is called style now? This is the slender tube-like structure below the stigma. This connects the stigma to the ovary. Now at the end, let us know about ovary. This is the swollen base of the pistil. It contains ovules that have the female gametes.